Simple manifestation hack. Wake up and sit in gratitude. List everything that you are grateful for. Now do this before you grab your phone, before you get up to wash your face or brush your teeth. Just sit up and start listing everything you're grateful for. You're alive, you have a cell phone, you're in a home, you have clean water, whatever it is, say it out loud. And then envision yourself already reaching your manifestation or whatever it is you're praying for or dreaming of. Because at the end of the day, manifesting, dreaming, and praying all end up giving you the same thing, right? What it is you want. But you have to start with gratitude. If you list every little tiny thing that you're grateful for, God, source, universe, whatever you resonate with will send you more. It's the law. It's a law of abundance. But you have to start with gratitude. And then when you list everything, it completely shifts your mindset. So if you're having a bad morning, let's say your bank account is negative, your bank account is zero, you're just having the worst morning ever. When you start to list out what you're grateful for, instant mindset shift. You will go from a lack of mindset to, wow, I have so much more to be grateful for. And then envision yourself already reaching your manifestation or whatever it is you're praying for or whatever it is you're dreaming of. Envision yourself already reaching it and do it every day. Do it every day and just watch the shift. So try it out. Trust me. Simple, free, and it works.